Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MLA ka NCP usaleng esangma ulaong balada na kaying uba Ïakhun enmi Ïakhun ya ka Ilekshon Shiteng Samoi na Mauplang constituency baro ki MLA Deban ai jing Kyrshan lang. Usaleng ubadai MLA na Gambegre constituency ulapan pau ya kane habashi menta haying darbar barajing kren kum kajing solem halor kajing kratno uba Ïakhun ubadai MLA Shimet ubami khmat ya ka Mauplang constituency. Usaleng ulaong bakalong kajing du ya kajela bat kajing darbar thawany namar kajing khat kandit MLA ka Mauplang bat upha kajing solem sya kajing kasem bat ki pajba ka constituency.
Ke basaleng utis basaleng sama.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. I would like to join hand along with the leader of the House and leader of the oppositions and along with the member of the August House in condoling for Ïakhun for journeying ahead of before us to heavenly abode. When we got the news, it was so shocking for each and every one of us. Every members of this August House has spoken in a conciliatory tone, warm tone, in condoling the demise of Ïakhun about his public discourse, uncontested condescent, distorting the belief of others, human and acceptable. We know that uncertainty, threats, and incidences occurred in his life already. And it can happen to us, any one of us, which is unforeseen and uninforming. Ïakhun has given us a panorama. After hearing all the speeches, condoling messages from each and every one of us, we could see that he has given us a panorama to each and every one of the MLA by making himself available for any kind of discussion, any kind of suggestions, or any kind of advice that he would like to give. As a respect and gratitude, I would like to urge this August House that if any of the member from the Ïakhun happens to contest in the future in the by-election, I would like to request all the political parties to support his family by not giving a candidate on their own. You see, we, as a Christian, we believe prayer will be hard, but the good deed will be blessed. So, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, we know that he was precise and to the point, and whenever he brought any kind of issues to the House, he was quite serious, and he used to, be very serious about his debate. So, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, we remember, definitely we will be missing him. He has already created a vacuum in the House, not only the House, in his family and in his own constituency also, Mr. Speaker, sir. So, through you, Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to send my condolences to his better family and request all the party members, before I resume my seat, not to give a candidate against his family. If his family happens to, put up a candidate, that would send a better condolence message. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.